Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you some beautiful and adorable crochet babies rompers designs ideas. Hopefully you like this video in different collection. So please watch this video till end and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Get ready to create a comfortable and stylish garments for your little ones. In this video, we, we will be making a beautiful and stylish crochet baby rompers designs ideas. These are perfect for different occasions. These romper is sure to impress. First step, so let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add some pattern and textures and some embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work and many different accessories. Next, to shape the sleeves, we'll use different techniques and different crochet hook and yarn and make these all the beautiful baby rompers designs easily. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or baby romper styles. Add embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers, different cartoon character shapes, stickers and many different accessories. You use and decor your baby's romper easily. And that's it, your beautiful and lovely look crochet baby romper is complete and ready to wear, ready to give for your lovely ones. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorial, full detailed videos and many more ideas. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please visit my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want to buy this your baby's rompers designs and jumpsuit design, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, aliexpress, etsy.com, clicky and my official website. Be patron, you visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas easily. Please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. And please like this all the beautiful collection. If you want to customize your baby's rompers, you visit many different websites and watch full patterns videos. And visit my YouTube channel and watch full DIY tutorial, full detailed videos about crochet baby rompers design, full DIY tutorial. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Hi.